Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my channel. On the menu today we'll have crispy chicken wraps. So guys, I will be sharing with you on how to make crispy chicken wraps. If you are interested, please keep watching. Alright guys, we are starting off with our protein. So guys, here is our chicken. We are using chicken thigh. Yes. So go ahead and wash them with lemon and salt. Afterwards, you transfer on your chopping board, pat them dry, and cut them up into stripes, okay? Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome to Oma Sport. This channel teaches how to make easy, delicious meals, baking, small chops and snacks, even lots more. So if it sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit the subscription button so you become part of this amazing family. Alright guys, at this point, we're done cutting. Moving on. Get a clean bowl, transfer your protein into it. It is time to season. Go in with some salt, with some seasoning cube. Next is a teaspoon of mixed herbs, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of ginger powder, a teaspoon of pepper flakes. Afterwards, go on and mix to well combine, okay? Like I said earlier, if it sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe. Also, remember to turn on your notification bell so you do not miss out on any of my videos, okay? Thank you. All right, guys, let's continue. At this point, we're done mixing. As you can see, we're mixed. It is looking good. So, guys, the next thing is to cover it with a cling film and allow it to marinate for some minutes or an hour, okay? Moving on. In a clean, dry bowl, go in with 2 or 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Next is tablespoon of yellow mustard sauce. If you do not have it, you can make do of your lemon. Yes, a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice is fine. Okay? We just need the tanginess, you know. All right, guys. The next thing is to add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, okay? Followed by a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now introduce your pepper. Yeah, introduce your black pepper. If you do not have it, you can make do of hot sauce, okay? Next thing to add is a tablespoon of honey. Afterwards, you go ahead and stir to well combine. At this point, we're done mixing. As you can see, it is well mixed. Please feel free to increase your sauce or decrease, whichever one you prefer. Or you can skip it, yes, if you do not want it. So guys, set it aside. Moving on. In another clean dry bowl, go in with your egg. Crack in 1 large egg. Next, go in with 1 cup of milk. Now, get your whisk or your spoon and whisk until everything is well mixed. Alright guys, at this point, we're done mixing. It is well mixed, as you can see. Now, in a bowl or plate, go in with 1 cup of flour, your all-purpose flour. Go in with a pinch of salt. Next is your black pepper. Go in with half teaspoon of it, or just a pinch of it is fine. Now we are going in with half teaspoon of paprika powder and some dry parsley. Once you've added everything, go on and mix until everything is well incorporated, okay? Shout out to my newest and returning subscribers. Guys, your girl is very grateful for all your love and your massive support. Thank you so much. Please keep it up, okay? All right, guys, here are the ingredients all set. We have our mixed cream, our flour for coating. Next, this is our marinated protein. Yes, our chicken, well marinated. Here is our egg and milk mixture. Yes, so everything is set. Moving on, guys. So, guys, it is time to coat our protein. Yeah, for the crispiness we're talking about. Remember, we are making crispy chicken wraps, okay? So you get your marinated chicken, dip it into the flour mixture, then dip it into the egg mixture. Go back again, repeat it twice, okay? Now dip it into the liquid again. This is how you continue until you are through with them. So look at what we have, guys, all coated. I had to do it off camera, not to get the video too long or lengthy. Now moving on, guys. In a clean pan, go in with your vegetable oil. It is time to deep fry them, okay? Once the oil is heated, go in with the coated chicken, okay? Just like this, guys. Please do not turn it, okay? Allow it to fry for 2 minutes or 3. Yes, just to maintain that golden crispiness, all right? This is after 2 minutes, and now go ahead and flip the other side. Please note that you can do the coating more than twice, okay? If you want it more coated, all you need to do is to do it maybe 3 times or 4 times. I choose to do twice. It's just perfect for me, okay? Now, let's allow it to fry for extra 2 minutes. And at this point, guys, we are done. Look at how it's looking. Oh, my. Can you see the crispiness? Guys, it is looking super good. I'm sure you are salivating. I know that. Someone is definitely making this recipe. So you keep watching, okay? So this is us scooping it off the oil. This is actually the first batch. So this is how you continue frying until you are through with it, okay? Oh my, this is looking good, guys. Now moving on, it is time to assemble. Now get your tortilla wrap. Make sure you heat it up a bit, okay? Now go in with the mixed cream. Like I said earlier, if you're watching weights, you don't want cream, you can skip it, okay? Next thing is your iceberg lettuce, okay? Followed by some red cabbage. Now we are going in with our crispy chicken. Guys, top it up with some mixed cream. This is looking good. This recipe is a must try. In fact, it describes or defines the full meaning of crispiness, guys. The chicken, the lettuce, the cabbage, everything is crunchy, crispy. You're going to enjoy it. That is what I'm talking about. So, guys, everything is set. Once you're done, wrap it up and then it is ready to be served. And there you have it. Our tasty, crunchy, crispy chicken wraps is set. Guys, give it a go. Also, remember to share to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. Lastly, if you found it interesting, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow for more tasty recipes. Until next time, bye-bye.